Hey, what's up everybody? How are you doing? This is Audio. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I just wanted to show you what I pack to stay fit while I travel. And in this Lagos, Nigeria, health and fitness, my lifestyle, I wanted to sustain it wherever I go. So I have this bag full of the 6 essential workout equipment that I feel like I need. Other things is like running that I do. So typically, as I travel now, I like to have a carry-on bag that has my clothes, shoes, some electronics, my laptop, and then this can have any extra miscellaneous items on my workout bag. So this is typically how I like to travel. This can be a lot smaller. There are extra things that I had added in here that you don't need, but I just wanted to show you what I took specifically to this trip in Lagos, Nigeria. All right, let's open up this bag. So first things first, if you want to maintain an active lifestyle, every place that you look for, your location where you stay when you travel, it's always with that in mind. So like when we're looking for a place to live, I was looking for a place that had an outdoor space. Or for the place that doesn't have an outdoor space, I'll find a place that's close to a gym. But for this trip, because of COVID-19 and everything that's going on, which is still fine, some gyms are open, people are socially distanced, you can do all of that stuff. But for me, a lot of the gyms here are closed. So I think for me, I was like, you know what? I'll just bring some of the tools that I use to come and work out. To give you guys a little bit of background, I am a fitness coach, I'm a personal trainer, and I also own a gym where we have like 125 to 150 clients. So I do this as a profession, so that helps. But besides that, you don't have to have that level of experience. That's why I'm showing you the video of what you can do when you travel. If you want some extra bonus exercises, check out some of my playlists. I have that's called like workouts, travel workouts. I have a whole bunch of workouts that you can do here with some of the tools that I'm going to show you, or body weight workouts. All right, let's get after it. So for here, not only am I going to reveal it, I'm also going to show you guys how I use it. So we have these 2 sliders. One. We have these 2 suspenders. Sometimes they call it TRX suspenders. They're just suspension rows. And then I have this battle rope. This is the biggest item that I traveled with. But I think I traveled with this with the intention of leaving it here, or else I wouldn't travel with it. But you don't need this. This is optional. What I typically take is a jump rope. So if you see any exercise that has battle ropes, just substitute it for jump ropes. This is way smaller and portable than this. But I want it to be fancy, so battle ropes, jump rope. I have a long band and a small band, and I'll show you guys how I use this. And then again, this is completely optional because you can always find ways to make this, but again, I wanted to bring it. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Optional 6. All right, but I don't recommend this because it's heavy, it's big, but at least you guys should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 if you count the extra one. All right, so now let me show you guys how I lay out my workout space. So this doesn't need much. You just need to find somewhere to hook it. When you look around, you're definitely going to find something. So in this case, we could have used this, or I could use this pole. So I just decided to use this pole. At the last place that we were at, we just found some rocks. There were heavy rocks, like some cement blocks, and we put a hole into. But if you look around, there's always going to be something that you can be creative and find this. Let me untangle this a little bit. Alright guys, we got our battle ropes, so now I can do this, or I can do some sticks. Alright, so that is one station. So this there's a lot of movements you can do with it. Let me move this out of the way. This, you can do upright rows with it. You can do curls with it. And you can get thicker ones if you're stronger. Or you can do rows like this with it, where you pull up and back, you pull up and back. You can use it for resistance when you squat, where you're here, and you bring it here, and then it offers a little bit of resistance. There is so much versatility to this. You can do open books with it. You can do tricep presses with it. I mean, this is like, you can do so much with this. All right, now for this one, we use it for resistance for your hips, squats, all types of stuff. So you can put your legs in this. You can use it for resistance as you go here, forward. You can do Frankensteins. You can do all types of stuff when you plank. You can do a plank jack. You can do mountain climbers with it. There is so much that you can do with this band. Also, I forgot to show you guys, for you guys that want to do booty work, you can also do this here. And then you can go back here, back here. Again, so much you can do with these bands. If you need ideas of workouts to do with these, check out my playlist. Make sure you subscribe. I'll show you the different exercises to do. All right, so this one, jump ropes. A lot of you guys are familiar already with this. So you can use this for your cardio if you don't want to run or if you don't want to do battle ropes. So that's jump ropes. Now, you guys can see I'm already breathing hard. These are sliders. So it's designed to work either if you have a smooth surface, this can go on there. And if you have a rough surface, this can go on there. So, for example, we'll put this here. There are so many things you can do with this. You can go out and out. You can draw some core work. You can do mountain climbers with it, where you're here. You can go like this. You can walk around with it. There's so many things you can do with this. It helps you with less friction. So now, if you don't have a turf, it can work on a rough surface, right here. See? It works well. And if you have a smooth surface, you can use the other layer. Again, just small tools that you can use. The next tool is a ladder drills. This one is just something that's just fun. If you want to break up some of your routine a little bit. All right. So again, workout is all about trying to have as much fun as you can possibly do. So when I work out, I look at it as like I'm a kid in a playground that just wants to do something to have fun, to take my mind off of the daily life stress. So this one is a fun one. You can do in and out with it. You can jump out, in. You can do single leg plyometrics here. You can go out, in, out. Again, you can do so much. You can even work on your core. That being here, you can walk in between. You can walk out, in. You can do so much stuff. You can work on change of directions if you want. All types of stuff you can do with that. All right, and then lastly, I want to show you guys another multifunctional equipment that you can travel with. So typically when people travel, a lot of people don't even take any of this. You can just take this and it would do a lot. Or you can take the bands. But for me, I wanted as much variety as possible. So let me show you guys how to use this. Let me untangle this. So we really had to roll this to figure out how to save space in our luggage. So we had to get creative on how it fits in that small bag. Guys, it's humid and hot in Lagos. So as you guys can see, I sweat easily already. Now I'm already sweating. So, but I don't complain ever because I love the sun. So I'll take this all day, every day, for sure. And sweating is a way to detoxify your body anyway. So sweating is actually a good thing. And sweating is a way that the body regulates its temperature. So maybe that's why, maybe because I sweat easily, it's probably why I can handle maybe a hotter climate better, because my body's working hard to like regulate its temperature. So we have this suspension rose. Just to give you guys a quick overview, this is something that you can do in your bedroom, in your hotel room, because it uses power of leverage using the door. So you guys come with me and I'm going to show you guys. This is what hooks to the door. Let me show you. So as you guys can see, this here, this is a door. This goes behind. Alright? This goes. And this goes behind here as well. Alright, can you guys see it? So, sorry guys of the noise. So now, if you have this, you can do all types of stuff. Let me make sure this is there. Alright, so now that this is here, make sure it's secured. We can pull, get some upper body workouts in there. You can do all types of stuff here. You can do a lot of the stuff that you would do on a TRX rowing machine, you can do in here. You can do power pulls when you're here. Come up. You can do push-ups. And you can also adjust these straps. For example, make sure it's even. Push-ups here. You can do all types of stuff. Anything to help you build muscle, to help your metabolism. So I hope that you guys enjoyed our mini workout session that I showed you. I just wanted to show you how when you travel and you lose a sense of routine at your local gym, a lot of gyms are offering online classes right now. And my gym is offering online classes too. If you're interested, I'll put a link below that you can use to work out with us. And all of the workouts that we program uses this equipment. Also, if you don't have any of this equipment, it's just a matter of being creative. If you don't have, for example, a jump rope, you don't need it. It just makes it more fun. And if you come across a jump rope, you can just do jumping jacks. You don't need the equipment. You don't need this because you can do mountain climbers. You can do push-ups. You don't need equipment. They just make it more fun to do. Again, you don't need this. You can find a space around your area and jump in, out, in, out. You can use your imagination. You don't need this. This one is probably good to have. So if you were to get one item to travel with, it would be bands or the suspension rows, because if you want to do strength training, you need resistance. So you have to have something that will give you some resistance. Push-ups can do it, but after a while, push-ups gets tiring to do all the time. And if you want to target different muscles, you can either have dumbbells, weights, or this and a TRX band. So again, I just wanted to show you, if you have room and you need more toys, you can get it. If you are following a workout program, you can modify what people are doing with equipment with Bodyweight as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you got some value out of it. Make sure to check out my free workout videos. Subscribe to this channel if you enjoy it. And again, thank you so much for your support. Make sure you comment if you have any questions below, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace.